Where I modify my car in different imaginable ways, and today we'll be fitting this. An airfield, I can't wait. That'd be so nice. I'll just need to open the boot. Did I say boot? I meant bonnet. We'll be taking this thing off and we'll be fitting a nice air intake on. And I'll show you how to do it. Take these clips off. I'll just show you when I've completed it, because I'm going to be here for ages. See you soon. Okay, I've managed to unhinge it. Going to try and take this bit off. Lovely. Don't want to break anything. And I'll show you when I've got it off. Right, I've now got it off. There's the air filter. It's pretty dusty. I'm going to take this bit off and they're going to fit this thing on. Hopefully it fits in the thing, which I don't see why it shouldn't. Yeah, so I'll show you how it goes. Oh, so yeah, it's partly fitted. It'll do for now, but eventually I need to get some more pipes, because the pipe is a bit too short. Yeah, so it looks pretty good to me. I like the look of it, and I'll show you what it sounds like soon. Stay in tune. Hello guys, so finally fitted it. Let's start it up. Oh. Give it a little more with your rev. Oh,
make sure to
sounds sexy. Shush! I told you you do not want to be in a video. And you
unsubscribe.
No. Ignore him. You probably would have known he's my companion. Well, not lover, but friend. I mean, come on, let's not get weird here.
I'm not bent, people. Thanks.
Are you homophobic?
Tony Frost, if you're watching, unsubscribe, yeah?
Nah, don't listen to him. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, don't subscribe, and thank you for watching. This has been another great video.